Don't you know we love to sew?
Just in time for back to school season, today you will learn how to sew an adorable snack pack. These snack packs are made out of laminated cotton, so they are washable and eco-friendly. Let's get started. For your materials, you will need 2 pieces of laminated cotton in any color you'd like, cut to 7 inches by 16 inches. You will also need 1 inch wide Velcro and basic sewing supplies. The first step is sewing your 2 pieces of fabric together, right sides facing each other. You will sew around the 4 edges using a 5/8 inch seam allowance, but make sure to leave a 3 inch opening on one of your short ends. Make sure to back stitch to enforce your work, then cut your threads. Now turn your project right side out. Using a chopstick or pointy object, poke out all 4 corners to give your snack pack a clean look. The next step is top stitching around all 4 sides. Put the edge of the pressure foot on the edge of your fabric and follow it the entire time. Doing this will close the opening you had left to turn your project right side out, and it will make your snack pack more durable when you wash it. Don't forget to back stitch at the end and cut your threads. Next, take your 1 inch wide Velcro and measure it against the top of your project. Cut it to the desired length. I cut my Velcro to be 5 inches long. One side of the Velcro will be on the top edge facing you. Folding the bottom up to create a pocket, place the other side of the Velcro on this top edge. Now you will sew around both pieces of the Velcro, attaching it to the layer of fabric it is on. Now that your Velcro is attached, fold up the bottom again so that when you connect the Velcro pieces, the pack will be formed. Then sew up the sides of the snack pack to close the project up. Remember to backstitch at the end and cut your threads. Here is the completed snack pack. It's very cute and perfect to pack any sort of snack in for school. Make sure to check out my website and other socials for more tutorials like this one. Happy sewing!